Hi, my name is Kirsten Schwarzer and welcome to this XMPRO learning series on UX design for real-time apps. In this series, I'm going to show you a repeatable process that you can use to build applications that not only look good, but that also solve real problems. Before you jump into the XMPRO app designer, it's important to think deeply about the problem that you're trying to solve. In our experience, thinking through the problem now will help you spend less time staring at a blank screen in the app designer, and you'll end up with a much better result. If you're still deciding which problem to work on, we recommend using the XMPRO use case prioritization matrix to help you rank your problems based on their business impact and their technical feasibility. If you aren't familiar with this matrix, please reach out to our team at support@xmpro.com for more details. In this example, we're trying to reduce unplanned downtime of boiler feed pumps in a thermal power plant. We've determined that this problem has a high impact on our business and that it's technically feasible to build a real-time condition monitoring app with the data that we have available. When we think about this problem, there are 5 things that we need to consider. Firstly, what critical real-time events do you need to know about when it comes to this problem? So if we want to prevent downtime on our boiler feed pumps, the critical real-time events that we should know about are things like spikes in temperature or vibration going above a certain threshold. Next, what decisions does the person using this app need to make to respond to that event? Do they need to decide whether a certain temperature spike means we need to perform immediate maintenance on this pump? What are the decisions that they need to make? Thirdly, what data would the user need to see to make an informed decision? In this example, you want real-time sensor data from the pump, but you might also want to see the list of scheduled work orders or the work order history. Next, is there anything preventing the user from making a decision or taking an action? Do they need input from someone else? Or is their data locked up in a certain system that they need to get access to? Is there a calculation that needs to be done to figure out what the right action is? Or does a machine learning algorithm need to make a prediction? Lastly, what key metrics are you trying to improve? This will help you understand why this is an important problem to solve and what the potential ROI will be. We're sort of trying to break things down into first principles and really understand the problem. There's a great Elon Musk quote that says, with first principles, you boil things down to the most fundamental truths and then you reason up from there. In our case, we're trying to break the problem down into the most fundamental truths and then design our application from there. To make things easy for you, we've created a PowerPoint template that you can use to answer each of these questions in a way that's easy to present and that summarizes your thinking on one slide. You can download the template by going to the link in the description below this video.